The beauty to working with colleagues that are much better than you and much more driven is that you wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning and you already have an email saying, check this out. So my buddy Patrick Rooney sent this to me this morning, and this is from Control Techniques. It's a virtual drive. Look at this, it's phenomenal. So you can enable the drive. You can put it into forward. You can then change your frequency. You can see the frequency output there. Awesome, eh? You can have an analog input coming in and change the frequency there as well. You can then stop it in forward, then go in reverse and see it go in the opposite direction. It's phenomenal. Now you can also change all the settings on the drive as well. So everything that you could do in the lab is being shown right here in real time. Phenomenal. Here's the general purpose drive landing page. Here's all the videos that go with it. Like, this is phenomenal. And here's the user guides. Everything's going to be in the comment section. Awesome.